Hey, everybody. It's Deb Brosnan, and welcome to Perfectly Empathic. So, you were 10 steps ahead of everyone else in the room. You already knew how it was going to end. You already felt what was really happening, and you already understood what no one was saying out loud. But instead of trusting that, you waited. You waited for proof, and you waited for permission, and you waited for someone else to see what you already saw before you let yourself believe it. It's not a character flaw. That is literally what happens when a highly perceptive woman is taught to doubt her own intelligence, own power. You were not wrong. You were just never taught that you could trust yourself first. So, free workshop on Sunday, July 5th. The link is in the bio to register. And I hope you have a great day. Because remember, we're changing the world by expanding ours perfectly empathic.